Hi, mechanics of deformable bodies or solid mechanics is super difficult subject. Are you worried about your grades in this online exams of solid mechanics or mechanics of deformable bodies? Yes, we can help you people and you can get good grades in solid mechanics or mechanics of deformable bodies. We have one online tool which can help you to plot a bending moment shear force diagram and axial diagram for free and absolutely within a seconds. Yes, are you curious about how we can do it? Yes, we are going to start within a seconds. Just to like, comment and subscribe and to support us. Thank you very much. So let's start our video. First tool we are going to introduce, there are two tools which we are going to introduce with. The first one is SkyCV civ.com. This is a beam calculator. Yes, you would see something like this. This is absolutely free. Even you can go it. First of all, how to use them? Here is a units of beam. Even you can units of force, even Newton, foot pound, kilopascal, kilo foot pound system, or KPI and kilonewtons. Okay, I would like to recommend a kilonewton. Okay, here is the units: inches, foots, millimeters, and meters. So I will put a meter, and I want 1000 beam length of 1000 meter, and let's do add a support. Here you have a pin support, roller support, and fixed support. Okay, let's try a cantilever beam problem solver. Okay, on the left side I want the fixed support on the left side of the beam, so add it. Oh, super cool. Okay, I want to add a point load, which is a downward load, and in which position I want 750 position of 750 from left side. Okay, so add it down. Magnitude must, okay, sorry, magnitude, okay, 30 magnitude we are going to. Here you can put a load of any at any angle, and it's up to your choice, or a downward upward load you can put out. So I would like to put a downward load. Okay, yes, this is, and now applied distribution load. If you want to put a distribution load, you can also use this, but the uniform distribution load, there is no uniform distribution load. So we will introduce you with another tool which can do it. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so this is add movement at the end. I can right hand we can add movement of 1000 movement clockwise or anti-clockwise, which you can try to add. Okay, let's to solve it. Let's see, this is a free body diagram of it, and here is a bend shear force diagram, and here is a bending moment diagram for it. Okay, look like a very good bending moment and shear force diagram, and this is super cool. This can help you to get a bending moment shear force diagram within a second, and this is most difficult part in solid mechanics and mechanics of deformable bodies. Let's try one more tool which is most important. So let's start the video. Let's start the second tool. The second tool is beamguru. beamguru.com. This is the first link, you have to tab it, and let's make a okay, here in beamguru.com you can get a section designer, a frame thrust calculator and a beam calculator. We are interested in beam calculator and can generate a report in Word also. So it is super cool for those who have an online exam, for those who are a designer and engineers and don't have a time to make this shear force and bending moment diagram. So this is super cool for you people. Okay, so let's see how we can do solve it. Here we did already solved simple question. So clear all and let's begin with start. Okay, so okay, sorry for that. Here length of the beam we did 500. Okay, we said that. Okay, here is support. We want a fixed support on left side. Okay, we did fixed support. No, sorry, we did with pin support. We are on left side. Okay, do here is a distributed non-uniform distributed load, uniform distributed load. Here is a load axial. Here is a moment. So here you can add a load of 750 at the angle of 75, and magnitude of load is minus 30 or downward direction. Okay, so position is 75, 500, 250. Okay, do add. Super. Okay, you even add starting position is 250 and ending position is 300. Okay, so beam magnitude 1.16, downward or upward. So we should choose a downward. This is a uniform distributed load also. Okay, so calculation. Let's do calculation. Just please add a support to beam. Okay, so support is on the another hand. We didn't add even support. So on right side we add support. So let's do calculation convert. This is not for a cantilever beam. Remember, cantilever beam sky CAV is a best, and for simply supported beam any type of load you can do bending. This is shear force diagram, this is bending moment diagram, and this is axial this is okay, sorry, first is axial diagram, this is shear force diagram, and this is a bending moment diagram. Okay, so this is all about our video. So hope you like it and this solve your much problem. Thank you very much and stay safe, stay blessed, and we will upload a video on it, how to calculate a moment of inertia, just like this within a minute. Okay, and we will also show you a tool which can help you to determine slope, to determine factor of safety, to determine bond masses, failure stress criteria, and every tool we will introduce you in solid mechanics, so you can get good grades if you are a designer and engineer, and you can get answer within a second without solving. Thank you very much and stay tuned with us.